Good morning, friends of HL Mod Tech. Today, let's go on a shopping trip. So I've got Google open, and I'm gonna go to GearBest. GearBest is where I bought some of my printers lately. So let's type in 3D printers, and let's check the prices of some of my favorites. So the first one I like to always check out is the ANET A8. I've bought one of these. I've got students that have bought two. I love the process of building it. It's a great skill to tie into your skill set. Right now, though, unfortunately, you can see it's up to 160. And that's with the EU plug. We need to always click and switch to the US plug so we can double check its price, which is still 160 with a $7 shipping charge. I'm not happy with that. I liked it better when I got it for $143. I mean, that's a full $15, so it was exactly $150 to my door. So I'm going to check other products. I like Creality 3D, and on my wish list is a CR10. And if we click over here and look at the CR10, it is currently at $395. Still way out of my price range, which is a bummer. I'm going to go back to Creality 3D, though, and I'm going to check the CR10 Mini. This is close. Gets me a 300 by 220 bed, and it's $309. Is it with the US? Yes, it is. $309.99 with the US bed. Only $5 to ship, which is a nice price. The one I want to look at, though, right now, and the one that I think I'm going to pull the trigger on, is the Zonestar. And one of the reasons I like the Zonestar is they've got several two-color printers or multicolor printers, and I enjoy multicolor printing. Several in the 200 range, but the one that's caught my eye is the Z5M2. And watch this. If we go to the Z5M2, it'll ship in the next few days. US plug for $299. It's above my price range a little, but watch this. If I hit the EU plug, it is $100 less. Now, I've got spare power supplies, so even if this power supplies cannot be switched to US current, I've got one that will. And then I've done enough of these other projects because of the A8 project that I know I can wire it up so that it works as well. The warranty will be totally void, but man, $100 difference, how do you not take that risk? So I'm going to give this a shot. I will also put the link to it in the video if you choose to do it as well. The only unfortunate thing is we're not going to see this until well into March. So we won't know for more than a month whether this project worked. But I'm willing to spend $200 to try and figure it out. So thanks for watching. If you've got any comments about how this is totally dumb, let me know. Maybe I won't pull the trigger, but right now the plan is I'm going to snag myself another printer. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.